Hello and welcome. NASA's Perseverance rover made a historic landing on the surface of Mars in the early hour of 18th February 2021. While the whole world watched with bated breath, it was an Indian-American scientist, Dr. Swati Mohan, who led the guidance and control system of the Perseverance rover and navigated a rather difficult touchdown. She provided commentary of spacecraft entering the orbit of Mars, descending at 12,000 miles per hour and slowing down for soft landing. Cheers erupted in NASA's control room in California when a calm and composed Dr. Swati Mohan announced that the spacecraft had landed safely.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars, ready to begin seeking the sands of past life.
Dr. Swati Mohan, who led development of altitude control and landing system for the spacecraft, was among the team of scientists behind NASA's historic Mars mission. The altitude control system is responsible for pointing the spacecraft in the direction it needs to be and also adjust its orientation in the space. Dr. Swati Mohan was born in Bengaluru. She immigrated to USA when she was 1 year old. She generated an interest in space from popular science fiction series Star Trek, which she watched as a kid. She completed her bachelor's degree from Cornell University in Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering. She did her MS and PhD from Massachusetts Institute of Technology in Aeronautics and Astronautics. She has joined NASA's Mars mission in 2013 and has been one of its mainstay since then. Before the Mars mission, she had also worked on NASA's Cassini mission to Saturn and Grail mission to the Moon. Dr. Swati Mohan was the head of guidance, navigation and control system on the Perseverance Mars mission. Her team is the eyes and ears of the spacecraft. NASA released a video of Dr. Swati Mohan announcing the safe landing and touchdown of the spacecraft. In the video, she was seen wearing a small bindi on her forehead, a detail that was quickly picked up and became a huge buzz on the social media. The hashtag Lady with the Bindi quickly started trending on Twitter and Facebook. For pushing the boundaries of scientific exploration and for inspiring a new generation of scientists from India and all over the world, Dr. Swati Mohan is Endeavour's Newsmaker of the Week.